Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're addressing a frustrating Facebook issue where page post comments aren't showing up properly. Whether you're a page admin missing comments, a user whose comments aren't appearing, or you're seeing inconsistent comment visibility, I've got you covered with these practical solutions for 2025. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. Comment visibility issues often relate to privacy settings, algorithm filters, or technical glitches. First, if you're a page admin, check your comment moderation settings. Go to your Facebook page settings, privacy page and tagging. Review your comment filters under comment ranking and ensure you haven't accidentally hidden certain types of comments. Also check page moderation to see if specific keywords are being filtered. If you're a user not seeing your own comments, wait a few minutes and refresh the page. Facebook sometimes delays comment visibility as part of its spam prevention system. Also ensure you haven't been temporarily blocked from commenting due to frequent activity. Now, let's clear your browser cache and cookies. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete or CMD+Shift+Delete on Mac. Select All Time for time range. Check Cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. This often resolves display issues with Facebook comments. If you're using the Facebook mobile app, try force closing and reopening it. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Facebook app, swipe it off the screen, wait a few seconds, then reopen it and check if comments appear. For persistent issues, check if you're using a VPN or proxy service. Sometimes Facebook security systems limit functionality when detecting unusual network activity. Try disabling your VPN temporarily and see if comments appear normally. If you're a page admin, review your page's banned users list. Go to Page Settings, People and Other Pages, Banned People and Pages. Ensure legitimate users haven't been accidentally banned. As a last resort, try accessing Facebook from a different browser or device. This helps determine if the issue is account-specific or device-specific. You can also try using Facebook's basic mobile site at m.facebook.com. I know how frustrating it is when Facebook comments don't show up properly, especially for page admins trying to engage with their community or users wanting to participate in discussions. One of these solutions should restore your comment visibility. For most people, checking moderation settings or clearing cache does the trick. If this guide helped you resolve your Facebook comment issues, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more social media troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.